Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to make easily the cheese cupcakes at home. For this you need not to have a special pan for the cheesecake. I will show you how to make the cheesecake in a muffin tray in the form of cupcakes, which is very easy to serve. So step 1 is the preparation of the base for the cheesecake. For that we need digestive cookies. I'm taking 14 digestive cookies, which is around 1 pack of the digestive cookies. And further we need 1/4 cup of butter. Now we are going to grind the digestive cookies in a food processor to make a very fine crumbs. So cookie crumbs are ready. If you find any big pieces of the cookies, you can take that out and move the cookie crumbs into a separate bowl. Now we will add 1/4 cup of room temperature butter, which is very soft butter, which is easy to mix with the cookie crumbs. If your butter is from the fridge, please do microwave it first or bring to the room temperature so that the butter will mix well with the cookie crumbs. Now we see that the butter is mixed well with the cookie crumbs. Now we will set a muffin tray with the cupcake sleeves into it. Now we'll add 1 tablespoon of cookie crumbs into it. If you like the base to be thick, you can add additional cookie crumbs into it. I like a very thin base, so I'm adding only 1 tablespoon of cookie crumbs into 1 cupcake. Now use the spatula and press the cookie crumbs to make a cookie base for the cream cheesecake. This is how you can make your cheesecake base made from the cookies and the butter. You can also use the spoon to press the cookie crumbs to make a cheesecake base. This is how we make ready the base for the cheesecake cake. You can leave this tray on the side. Now is the time to prepare the cheesecake mix. So step 2 is the prepare cheesecake mix. It will make 12 mini cheesecake. For that we are taking Philadelphia cheese cream cheese, which is 1 bar is 250 grams. I am taking 1.5 bar for 12 mini cheesecakes. Then need half cup of sugar, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 2 teaspoon of all-purpose flour, also known as maida, 1 teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 4 tablespoons of sour cream, which I measure and put in a separate bowl. Now take a bowl, mixing bowl, add a cream cheese into it, which is around 1/2 slab of the cream cheese. Now by using a hand mixer, mix the cream cheese to break it. Please don't overmix it. Once it's break, add half cup of sugar into it. Mix well. Now we need to add 2 eggs into it, but 1 egg at a time. So break 1 egg into it, mix well. Then add a second egg into the mixture, mix well. Now by using a spatula, we are going to take off all the mixture from the sides so that all the mixture should mix properly with another mixture. Now add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence into the mixture. Mix well. Now add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix well. Now add 2 teaspoons of all-purpose flour or maida. Mix well. Now add 4 tablespoons of sour cream into the mix. So we are going to add one by one ingredient into the mix and mix it well. Now our cheesecake mix is ready, which we are going to add into the muffin tray where we already prepared the base with the cookie. So while adding a cheesecake mix into the muffin cupcakes, so you need to ensure it should not be overfilled, so there is always some gap, so that is a space when we are going to bake it, so it will not come out and it's settled properly. So with these ingredients you can easily make 12 cheese cupcakes, but you can also make one extra into that if it's a leftover ingredient. Tap the tray to ensure that should not be any air bubble into it, and the mix should be smooth from the top. Now we are going to bake this cheesecake at 325 Fahrenheit in a preheated oven for 15 minutes. So 15 minutes is enough to make a good cheesecake. So after 15 minutes I am taking out the cheesecake, which is well done and look very nice. Now we need to cool down this cheesecake at room temperature, then refrigerate overnight. So these are the cheesecake I am taking out next day from the fridge. It's settled down and look very nice. Either you can serve this cheesecake as a plain cheesecake, or you can decorate with the berries. These berries are the frozen berries I am using, which I thaw at room temperature. Cheesecake also tastes very good with the combination of the fruits. So I'm using berries. You can also use mangoes or any other fruit of your own choice. Now I will show you how the cheesecake look like from inside. I would like to show you the base, the cookie base and the cheesecake. It turned out so good. I will show you another piece of the cheesecake. So these cheesecakes are the best. My kids love these cheesecakes, which they always say is a better from the market, and it tastes very good. So for serving the cheesecake, you can transfer the cheesecake on the serving tray, then decorate with the berries and the other fruits of your own choice. This is how the final look of the cheesecake with the berries. Actually, my kids like the plain cheesecake, but I love to eat with the berries. So I always add berries on the cheesecake. It tastes very good. And you must try at your home this recipe. Then you will realize that this cheesecake recipe is so awesome and it tastes very fresh and good. So I tried the cheesecake in the market and the different places, but this cheesecake is the best among all. So try this recipe at your home and let me know in the comment section how you like this cheesecake recipe. You can also make this cheesecake in a form of a big cake. Then you need a cheesecake baking pan, which is different. So if you don't have a pan, then you can make this in a muffin tray, as I shown you. Now I will show you by cutting the cheesecake how it turned out. If you like the content of my videos, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get the updates on my new videos.